Ladies and gentlefish, we're going to Florida. Not for fun this time, strictly business. There's three things I like to bring on road trips like this with me that are the most important to bring. And first is the Bluetooth transmitter. Gotta bring your code reader. And lastly, my favorite thing, the cop radar. This saves me in a lot of situations, but the car we're buying isn't likely that we are gonna be speeding, but it's always good to have one. We are now driving to a friend's house to go get dropped off at the airport. Let's see if we make it on time today. Flight has been delayed. It was delayed 4 hours, now it's only 3 hours, 2 hours. So we're making some leeway, but that's really gonna mess up the drive on the way home. So I'm hoping it stays like this and we can get home efficiently and at an effective time. The weather is not ideal for a journey like this, but we're not gonna let that stop us. Shout out Katie for giving us a ride to the port so we can get out of Michigan and go to nice sunny Florida, but apparently it's raining in Florida. We have arrived at the airport and now we got a 3-hour flight ahead of us. Let's get to it. We have arrived in Orlando. We're about to get picked up and we're gonna hopefully purchase this so-called car. I wouldn't say this is one of my dream cars, but definitely a dream build. Because this is gonna hopefully make us 8,000 miles there and back to Alaska. Pretty psyched on this purchase. Ladies and gents, we have done it. We are driving away in the new car right now. This thing is so sick. I cannot wait to hop out and show you guys. But first, we need to get some food, and then we're gonna get a gas station stop going. And we'll check this thing out before we do an in-depth review when it's light out tomorrow, because it's already dark out. But the thing is sick. I can't believe this. Can't believe this is real right now. You are looking at it, folks. The new GX470 in action. This thing is so sick. Look at the tires. Some meaty boys on it, but we're catching some grub, getting some Chipotle, and then we're gonna head back home to Michigan. A whopping 17 hours. We'll check this thing out some more in the daylight. Let's get some food first. We're at the first gas station stop of the trip, and I just learned that you have to fill this thing up with premium. Not too happy about that one. Should have done some more research. But it's not gonna stop us from buying it. First fill up was 60 bucks and we weren't even empty, but I'm loving this drive so far. It drives like an arrow, straight as an arrow, even though it has all this stuff done to it, which is amazing. We already cracked our first energy drink of the trip. We went with a Celsius. I typically don't drink energy drinks, I go for the coffee, but I'm trying to make it to Atlanta before I take a little nap. We bought it.
No way, bro. Oh my god, that thing's sexy.
What do you think, buddy? Look at those meaty boys.
Bro, why didn't you tell me you were going down there? I had no idea.
I wanted to surprise you, dude. It's approximately 8:02 a.m. We just woke up from a little nap. We're gonna get chugging again, almost to Tennessee. We are currently in Tennessee, stopping for gas once again. I think I'm gonna grab some food too, because I'm a little bit hungry. I haven't ate since I woke up. The essentials for today's journey consist of a ice cold black coffee, 1 banana, and an Arby's breakfast sandwich that I already destroyed. But we're getting back on the road. Road trip's going great so far, nothing crazy. It's very green in Tennessee. About 8 hours until we get back to our destination in Michigan. Making a quick pit stop to get a full overview of this car since I haven't done an official full reveal yet. So we're gonna get some cinematics going, but first let's talk it over a little bit. So this has a 3-inch lift on it with some 35s and some method wheels, coastal off-road bumper, rock sliders and rear bumper, snorkel, tints all the way around, some Raptor lined fenders on the bottom of the door trim area, rear tire, dual pull out. It's got it all. It's got a little bit more suspension wise done, and then the interior of course is super clean. Nice aftermarket steering wheel. We do have a seat cover to cover that up, but we'll get that fixed up. But let's get a little quick cinematic and some pictures of the beautiful rig in the mountains. We are in Tennessee, in the Appalachian Mountains right now. No better place to be. Let's keep on getting down the road. We are getting closer to Kentucky, and then we are one step closer to Michigan. Let's do it. Munch. One more state to go, and then we are in the home stretch. Weather got pretty shitty, raining out. It don't matter though. We are out here in Ohio still, roughly 50 miles away from Toledo. We are closing in on Michigan. And right now I'm just thinking about the ideas for the film for the Alaska trip that this car is going to be brought on. So make sure you just stay tuned for the whole series of Alaska. We're going to be modifying this car some more, getting it ready for the trip, and then meeting up with some homies that are also building a car as well. It's going to be wicked. We have done it, ladies and gents. We are back in the homeland of Michigan with the new GX470. Still got about an hour 30 to go until our final destination, and then we can get some rest. But until that time, gotta keep on chugging. I think this is gonna close out the first series of the Alaska road trip. We went and picked up one of the rigs of many, and now we're gonna start modifying it to our liking so we can conquer the Alaskan roads in style and in great function. But don't forget, subscribe, like, share the video so others can see, because this is going to be a wild journey and you better stick around to see it. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys. Drive safe.